In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a distribution list in Gmail. This process can help streamline your email communication, allowing you to send messages to multiple recipients more efficiently. Whether you're managing a team for work, coordinating a group event, or simply need to reach out to a bunch of contacts at once, mastering the creation of a Gmail distribution list will save you time and effort. So, let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Contacts. This is where all your Gmail contacts are stored and managed. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign into your Google account using your username and password. Once you're in Google Contacts, you'll notice that the interface is pretty straightforward, displaying a list of all your existing contacts. Next, you're going to create a new label, which will serve as your distribution list. To do this, look to the left side of your screen, where you'll see a variety of menu options. Click on Create Label, and a small window will appear. Here, you'll enter the name of your distribution list. Be sure to choose something descriptive so you'll easily remember the purpose of the list later on. Once you've named your label, go ahead and click Save. Now that we have our label set up, the next step is adding contacts to it. Go back to your list of contacts. For every person you want to include in your distribution list, simply check the box next to their name. Once you've selected all desired contacts, look for the label icon, which resembles a tag, at the top of the screen. Click it and select the label you just created. This action assigns these contacts to your distribution list. With your distribution list now filled with contacts, you're ready to use it in Gmail. Open a new tab and go to Gmail. Click on Compose to start a new email. In the To field, type the name of your distribution list label. Gmail should automatically populate the recipients with the contacts included in that label. You can now type your message. Before clicking Send, it's always worthwhile to double-check that your distribution list includes all the participants you intended. If later on you need to add or remove contacts from this list, just return to Google Contacts, make your modifications, and the changes will be automatically reflected in Gmail. And there you have it. You've successfully created a distribution list in Gmail, making it so much easier to communicate with groups of people. By utilizing and maintaining this tool, you can ensure your communications are not only more efficient, but also markedly less error-prone, saving you precious time for other important tasks. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and be sure to check back for more handy tech tips.